What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, I'm back with another Stock Talk video. And for today's Stock Talk video, we're going to be talking about Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. And if you guys are new here, follow me on my TikTok and join my Discord if you are interested. Both of those links will be down in the description below. So let's talk about Tesla real quick. And we have a lot to talk about because of the fact that they reported earnings this past week, had a big beatdown of a week, but finished out strong on Friday, up almost 5%. And right now we're looking at Friday's little time frame here, and you can see it was a strong day. Pre-market lows of $663, but jumped all the way up, broke through this resistance area to $715 before pulling back down and finishing the day very strongly. But overall, we have a lot to talk about as to the reasons as to why Tesla broke out on Friday. But let's take it back. We're looking at the 20-day, 1-hour chart right here. And as you can see here, about 2 weeks ago, we had a massive run-up from Tesla, broke through all these resistance levels, okay? Hit highs around $785 before pulling back down. We couldn't hold these areas of resistance, which turned into support, but it wasn't strong enough support, so we fell back down below and got inside of this channel right here from about $710 to about $750, which we've been trading in for a couple days here. Then we did get some anticipation up to a big earnings week for the whole entire market, but including Tesla, which started it off on Monday, we got some anticipation and some running up into those earnings. Earnings was a good earnings from Tesla, but the stock itself fell and fell pretty hard throughout after hours and even into the rest of the week, where Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday were all just choppy or either red days for Tesla. So overall wasn't looking the best throughout the week for Tesla. But something that changed that was Thursday when NIO, the Chinese electric vehicle car company, reported their Q1 earnings, which was very good, especially since they've been dealing with a chip shortage. They've been doing very, very well, and that overall sympathy helped Tesla jump up on Friday. Along with this other news that Cathie Wood from ARK Invest bought more shares into Tesla, so she jumped in with more shares into Tesla, which was another huge booster, and that is what caused this reversal from basically a lows here at $663 to a huge run up throughout the day Friday. I mean, this was a perfect trade if you traded this on this 5-minute chart here. You can see that if we got in a confirmation above the SMA line and we rode our price strength all the way up and we broke out at validation, you would have had a nice run up here, and you entered it again, you would have gotten a nice run up over through to our resistance level, which we actually broke out of. We couldn't hold, sadly. It caused us to pull back down, but the SPY was also a little choppy throughout today on Friday, so it was a little weird to trade. I think this is when the SPY actually pulled back. And then the rest of the day for Tesla was pretty flat, and we finished up on the day almost 5%. So it was an overall strong day for Tesla, and looking forward is what I'm really interested in. So if we go to back to the 20-day chart, you could see that we are testing this resistance level, which we quickly broke over, couldn't hold, and are trading below it now. But you could see that multiple times we've tested this support, and which is now resistance until we can get above it. So resistance acts as resistance until we can break above it and hold, which then turns into support, okay? So past resistance is future support. So as long as we can get above this line right here around $710 and break out, hold above this area, and get back in this trading channel, I'd like to see it trade in this channel for a little while before breaking out like it did back here into new highs of almost $800. But we get a little bit of a while till we get to that point. And overall, if we pull back to a 180-day chart, you could see that Tesla hasn't been the cleanest. I've been trying to draw these lines to see where we are with resistance and support. We had a little bit of a channel here through our higher 600s area, but then we pulled back, another channel here, another channel up here, and then we did break out, and we broke out really strongly, but just couldn't hold up here. I would have liked to see it hold that 750, so I think that's our next target, really, and the future Tesla. So right now, I think it would have been a good deal to get it at this $660 area, even $650 if we could have gotten at that low. But really, this is a nice area of strong support I like right here. But where we're trading right now is another area of resistance. So we're either going to see it reject us $710 and come back to the downside, or we'll see a break through the $710 area and jump to the upside. This week is a really important week for Tesla. Just based on where it's trading, we could fall back below and into this channel and keep on downtrending into the lower channels. But really, I'd like to see a breakthrough here, get above, stay in this channel for a little bit, and then break out to a new channel so we can start uptrending and make our way back up to $800, $850, $900, and then where some of our price targets are at $1,000 plus. So this is really what we're looking at for the future of Tesla. Friday was a strong day, but it doesn't mean that we're over overall changing our direction or our pattern. We did get beaten down a lot, so overall the stock reacted back to the upside because of that. So again, we're going to watch these different levels. Here's a one channel, here's another channel, and here's our third channel. Right now we're in the second channel. Let's see for it to either break above that $710 area and jump up to the upside, or break down below, maybe even test lower here and break down to a lower channel down here. So that's what I'm looking at with Tesla. Based on what we had on Friday, it was a good day for Tesla, but we have to see how Tesla plays out this week. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, comment for more videos, and subscribe to the channel if you're brand new, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.